Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to get BritBox on Apple TV in the UK and the US, explained clearly and step-by-step so you can enjoy British TV shows and exclusives on your Apple TV. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV and connect to the internet. Make sure your Apple TV is powered on, connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and signed in with your Apple ID. Step 2. Open the App Store on Apple TV. From the Apple TV home screen, select the App Store using your Siri remote. Step 3. Search for BritBox. Use the search option and type BritBox. Look for the official BritBox app available in both the UK and US app stores. Step 4. Download and install the BritBox app. Select the BritBox app and choose Get or Install. The app will download and install automatically on your Apple TV. Step 5. Launch the BritBox app. Once installed, return to the home screen and open the BritBox app. Step 6. Sign in or create a BritBox account. If you already have a BritBox subscription, sign in using your email and password. New users can select Sign Up and follow the on-screen steps to create an account. Step 7. Activate the app if required. In some cases, an activation code will appear on your TV screen. Visit the activation website shown, log in to your BritBox account, and enter the code to link your Apple TV. Step 8. Start watching BritBox on Apple TV. After signing in, browse classic and modern British TV shows, dramas, comedies, and exclusive BritBox originals. You're now ready to enjoy BritBox on Apple TV in the UK or the US. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step streaming and smart TV guides.